Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to join the training camp on the Total Football mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to click the kick off, and then after that you can click the training camp on the below right corner. Okay, you can click the training camp, and over here you can see the dribbling training, passing training, through pass, shooting, long pass, and also crossing. Okay, and you can also go to the free training like this, and all you need to do is you need to set the your players max, and also you need to set the comp players. Okay, and then you can choose the difficulty. For this example, I choose the amateur. Okay, I choose the amateur, and also if you already done, you can click start, and then you need to wait for loading just a second. You need to wait for loading just a second until the loading is finished. Okay, and if all the loading already finished, you can see for the first time you can see the scenarios like this. You can also like this. Okay, you can set it into the corner, penalties, free kick, and then another like that. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.